Offer accepted. Now what? Hi, I'm Christi Bryant with Keller Williams OBX, serving buyers and sellers across the Outer Banks of North Carolina. One of the most common questions I hear from buyers is, what happens after my offer is accepted? Well, getting under contract is exciting, but it's important to understand that the process isn't over. In many ways, it's just beginning. Today, I'm going to walk you through the major steps that happen between an accepted offer and closing day. Let's get started. First, once all parties sign the contract, the clock starts ticking. Your realtor, lender, attorney, insurance agents, inspectors, and other professionals begin working behind the scenes. The next step is due diligence. North Carolina has a unique due diligence process. This gives buyers time to investigate the property and make sure it's the right fit during the period buyers often schedule. Inspections, obtain insurance quotes, review HOA information, verify financing, and gather additional information about the property. One of the most important parts of the process is the home inspection. The inspector evaluates the home's major systems and components. Remember, no home is perfect. The goal is to understand the condition of the property and identify any concerns before moving forward. For Outer Banks buyers, insurance is also a critical step. Depending on the property, buyers may need homeowners insurance, flood insurance, wind coverage, or other policies. It's important to understand that those costs early in the process. If you're financing the purchase, your lender will continue working on your loan approval. That includes reviewing income, assets, employment, and other financial information. Most finance transactions will also require an appraisal. The appraisal helps the lender determine the property's value. Meanwhile, the closing attorney will begin the title search process. They'll review ownership. Records identify any issues that need to be resolved and prepare the documents needed for closing. As you get closer to closing, it's important not to make major financial changes. Avoid opening new credit accounts, avoid making large purchases, and always talk with your lender before making significant financial decisions. Shortly before closing, you'll complete a final walkthrough. This gives you an opportunity to verify the property's condition and make sure any agreed upon items have been addressed. Then comes closing day. You'll sign documents, funds will be transferred, and once everything is recorded, you'll officially become the owner. Buying a home involves many moving parts, but understanding the process can help reduce stress and make the experience much smoother. If you're thinking about buying a home on the Outer Banks and have questions about the process, I'd be happy to help. I'm Christi Bryant with Keller Williams OBX, and if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.